Ni comment din si Cedric Tampos, wa nang hilabot gud oy kaklaro anang naibas-bas nimo kay gauna mangganig pirma imuhang anak. Mauna radyo man dong kagahapon nahisgutan pod ni sa media o gipangutana kang PBBM kung ni-consult ba si Sandro Marcos kang PBBM bahin sa impeachment complaint kang VP Sara. Naa siya tubag anak radyo man dong.
Tubag si Sandro na
si PBBM.
si kuan PBBM. Sige da.
Atong paminawon mga kasama.
President, kapansin-pansin na unang pumirma sa endorsement ng anak ninyo. Did he seek your advice on this, and what did you tell him?
Of course, he did. And I said, it was very simple, but I told him. And he said, you know, mukhang magpipirmahan na. What's your opinion? What I should do? And I told him. I said, the process is begun. It has, parang batas yan eh. When you're in the legislature, when you file a bill, okay, House Bill number 1, 2, 3, etc., etc. Pag file mo niyan, that bill takes a life of its own. Kahit anong gawin ng congressman na nag-file o senador na nag-file, kahit ayaw niya yung mga changes na magagawin doon sa kanyang bill, wala na siyang magagawa. Because the bill is going through the process as it should. And part of that process will be amendments, etc., additions, all that. The impeachment complaint is exactly the same. Once it has been filed, there is a procedure that needs to be followed already. So sabi ko, andyan na tayo, sabi ko kay Kong Sandro, sabi ko sa kanya, the process has already begun. So it's your duty now to support that process. So do your duty. That's what I told him. Do your duty. You have to support the process. You are constitutionally mandated to carry out that process. And you are a congressman, so do your duty. That's what I told him. I didn't know you'd be the first to sign, though.
Sa straight to the point.
Nya radyo man dong.
Nya abot okay baba po si PBBM ang katapusan nga ni pirmang yang igagaw.
Tingala man ta radyo man dong di maabot sa iya ha. Oh, 'di ba? First and last. Gikan gihapon manghigala sa ilahang pamilya.
Gikan silang kampo.
Oo, silang kampo. Pag-ingon pala, support the process. Congressman man kakabalo ka, pero radyo man dong tuo man gyud tayo nga na-influensyahan gyud pod ang desisyon ni Marcos, ni Sandro Marcos sa unsa pod ilahang panagstorya sa iyang amahan. Og tama to imong gingon kaganina, ang iya pong inahan. Oo, di ba? Diya man gyud na di ka. Syempre, ang dili naman daw ang amahan radyo man dong ang magdesisyon sa panimalay. Anak pa sila ang inahan. Sige nang himog tukod sa bintana.
Kuad ka na bitong
Abig haligi sa tahanan.
kanang brace bitaw day.